What are you doing?
Good job.
Back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet! Oh!
Can you hold the stick on the ground? And now I'm gonna use it.
Yeah, I love you. Búscala aquí. Esa palabra la vamos a buscar aquí. No se te olvide. Esa. Acá.
Oh, no.
Kyle, stop. Kyle!
Who's Kevin?
Kevin!
Spoil them. And teacher thinks that Kevin is
This is my cat, Mimi. She loves me.
Let's see your handstand. Damn straight.
Hey. Can you hold on?
Biscuits, biscuits, it's time to make biscuits.
He could do it if he tried.
It's you!
Jump. Yes! Oh, she almost got it.
Oh my god!
It's just a bit too light.
What was that shit?
Hey!
Hey.
Nina,
No, who's gonna make it?
So let me in, open your house.
Hey, come here, come on.
Reggie, don't eat him.
What? Don't tell me he's in it. not that serious.
Why do cats make it the biggest deal in the world to, like, show their toes? Show me your toe.
Se você não parar, eu vou chamar o Bolsonaro.
Let's sing a song, yeah?
Only love can hurt like this.
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
Oh, Lola.
Don't bite his tail.
The whole time until I found out.
Oh my goodness.
Why do you... Don't do that.
You're done.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Oh no!
What? No.
Don't flip!
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Ay, manigaw!
Oh no, are you peeing?
It's pistachio ice cream.
Happy birthday to you.
She does not get rid of the cats.
Probably the smartest move. Oh, okay, there. Okay, the cat. And now the cat.
Ooh.
Like, act like he...
What a poor little baby.